Hello, and welcome to Crawford Software's video series, ERP Tips and Tricks. My name is Lauren Colgrove, and I'm the Director of Customer Care here at Crawford Software. I've been with Crawford Software for over 15 years and have over 30 years of experience in the ERP software, implementations, and functional consulting. Today, we're going to walk through part one of our two-part series on month-end processing in the SYSPRO ERP system. In part one, today we will walk through steps to run a seamless pre-month end process in SYSPRO. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we always want to do is we want to look out and make sure that our users are logged out of the system. Secondly, we then are going to change and lock out the system. The users can't get back in. And then we will do that pre-process. For the pre-process, we don't necessarily need to lock out the users, but sometimes it's a good thing so that they do not cause problems with you trying to do your validations. So with that, we're going to show you exactly how to log out the users. Right from your administration tab, as an administrator, you need to go to the administration and you log out the users. Within that screen, you're going to see users that are logged on. If you know they are doing something, you might want to wait, but you might want to just find out when they will be out. In this case, I see two users that are currently logged on, and I know they are not on as we are after hours. So I'm going to take and log them out with this little log out button. And again, you must be an administrator before you can log them out. You click that log out and it gives you another prompt to make sure you do want to do that. And we log them out and you'll see that they go away. And I'm going to take the other user that is also on and log them out. We now see that the only person on is myself. So we are good to continue on with the process. After we have completed that, we then want to lock the system at this time. To do that, we're going to go down to the company that we have. We're going to click that with a single left click, and then we're going to take the Education 1, in our case, the sample that we are using, and we are going to change it. And then we are going to prevent the users from being able to log on. And a reason comes up, and the last time we did this, the maintenance was in progress. I'm going to go ahead and leave that at this time, but you can make that anything you would like so that the users know what is occurring. We'll leave that there. We'll save and close, and then we will close our companies. Now, into the process for prior to month end, and one of the recommendations that we here at Crawford Software always make is you might want to do these on a weekly basis. That way, when it does come to the time for your month end, you now have everything in balance and your month end goes a lot smoother and you have that streamlined process. Within this pre-process that we're talking about today, we have multiple integration elements. And based upon your company setup, those are the integrations that you will want to look at. We find the best way to see these and go through these is to go into the general ledger, and we go into our GL integration. And down at the bottom of your integration, you find these balance functions right here. All of them that you have based upon your license and what you are using integrated into your general ledger are going to show up here. You also have the capabilities, as you see on my screen, to create a favorite for these. That ends part one of our two-part series on pre-month end close with SYSPRO. Stay tuned for part two.